Please subscribe the channel and hit bell icon for notifications. Cook for You presents Khada Khichdi. Add water to 250 grams dried salted fish. Let it soak for 2 to 3 hours. Wash it with flour to remove the smell of the fish. Now take handful of coriander leaves. Add 3 to 4 garlic cloves. Add 3 to 4 green chilies. Add some water to it. Grind it into fine paste. Heat the pan with some oil. Add 2 chopped onions. Add 1 to 2 crushed garlic cloves. Fry until onion turns translucent. Now add 1 tablespoon coriander chili paste that we have made earlier. Add 1/2 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Roast until masala cooks well. Add dash of water. Add chopped potatoes. Do not remove the skin. If the fish is too hard, first add and cook fish and then add potatoes to it. Add required water to create the curry. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add soaked and washed dried fish. Mix well. Cover and cook for 10 to 15 minutes or until fish and potatoes are cooked well. Give it a good mix. I am checking whether the potato is cooked well. Add 1 to 2 pinch of salt if required. Please note it's a salted fish. Add some fresh coriander. Your khada curry is ready. Now we will make khichdi, which goes very well with the curry. Add 1 teaspoon ghee and some oil to it. Add 1 small chopped onion. ¼ cup soaked mung dal. Mix well. Add some water. Cover and cook for 8 to 10 minutes on low flames. Add salt to taste. Now add 350 grams soaked rice. Add required water to cook the rice. Dries out the water. Cover and cook 15 minutes on low flames. Our delicious khada khichdi is ready to serve. It's time for plating. Let's put some khichdi in the serving dish. Garnish with coriander leaves. Now pour khada fish curry to the dish. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. Enjoy the meal. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.